All right, we gotta move on. We got more places to see yet. We still got sunshine. And when we got sunshine, we want to use that sunshine because the light is good.
When I look in your eyes, I see the world you hold deep inside of you. That's where I want you to take me to. We'll fly into the dream of a starry night. No sense of time or gravity, no hatred, no negativity. But
this is Broadway Street here. It runs forever, all the way out to UBC and to Boundary and beyond that way. Along this road, Broadway, they're building a new underground subway line. It's kind of like the never-ending government project. It's going to be nice when it's finished, just like the rest of the SkyTrain is. Back in 1958, this area of Vancouver had something that was considered North America's #1 freestanding sign, Mac. In fact, here on this area back in the late 50s was a Cadillac dealership. You know, Cadillac like the one you're going to see in the front yard of that guy's place. This sign here was considered the largest freestanding sign in North America, 58, 59 time frame. 1,200 light bulbs that lit up this entire area of the city, and for some was considered to be an eyesore, and so they tried to get it taken down. But as you can see, concessions were made, and eventually the owners, developers, and the people who did the deal with Toys R Us got some kind of allowance, and that sign is not going anywhere. It doesn't shine anymore. Toys R Us was given permission to put their sign over top of what was North America's #1 freestanding sign, all lit up back in 1958. Change has come, and instead of taking it away and removing it and using it, something new was just put over top of it. And maybe that's the reason why it's included in 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. Brass Neck Brewery. It's a microbrewery, 2148 Main Street. And it made the 111 places to see in Vancouver that you don't want to miss. Close by, Cardam's. And Jeans is just up there a little ways. Look at that beautiful painting up there. We'd have to get up on top of that building to be able to see it. And what's the story of Cardam's in 3 sentences?
Oh my goodness. It was a dream that the owner had.
Okay.
And he just dreamt up his donut shop and the name and made it happen. And he's been here for how many years?
I don't know about the years. Many, like I feel like around a decade, honestly. The person you're talking about is married to another owner of a ice cream company, Ernest, like just down the
One place I'm looking for here on 6 is called The Whip.
Oh, so the Whip is closed, but Bar Susu is in the Whip, and they are lovely.
Okay, I just want to take a picture of them on the outside.
Yeah.
You guys are great people. Very nice people here at this little donut place on the corner of 6th and Main. And now, we were going to go to The Whip, but we can't because The Whip is no more. This is the second place that has been closed since the writing of this book. It's okay. Bar Souza. But it's now or never. Oh. Is this where The Whip used to be? Yeah. But it's not anymore. It's in this book, 111 places in Vancouver you don't want to miss, and I'm capturing them on video, but 2 of them already have been closed. Bar Souza. So you're known for natural people here at, let's see what it's called. Ah, yeah, there we go. The Whip Restaurant and Gallery, but it is no more. It's now the Bar Souza. All right, we got to move on. We got more places to see yet. We still got sunshine, and when we got sunshine, we want to use that sunshine because the light is good. When you're sitting in front of your fireplace, middle of winter, somewhere in Anchorage, Alaska, and 30 years from now, this video is going to warm your socks. wave.
Well, there was a red wave, but they suppressed it.
Thanks for joining me on the search for the truth. We love the truth.